Hi, my name's Bethan. I'm part of the design team here at Orangebox, and I'm going to talk you through how to set up your chair. The Eva chair was designed for quick and easy adjustment in mind. So whether this is your dedicated chair or a shared chair, we've made sure that it's quick and simple to get set up comfortably. Firstly, look for the seat height adjustment lever on the right-hand side of your chair. Pull the lever up and either push your body weight down or pull yourself up to get to the height that you want. To keep your pelvis upright and your spine aligned to the natural S-shaped position, thigh to torso angle should be 90 degrees or thereabouts. Next, look for the seat depth adjustment lever on the left-hand side of the chair. Pull the lever up and move yourselves either forward or backwards until you're in a comfortable position. To ensure adequate thigh support without obstructing leg movement, you should leave between 2 or 3 fingers gap between the front of the seat and the back of your knees. On most task chairs, you'd actually have to adjust the lumbar support, but with Eva's clever mesh, it automatically does it for you and provides comfort where you need it the most. So that's one less thing to worry about. To operate the arms, simply take hold of the armrest. There's no button to press, it will just click through 8 positions, and then when it gets to the top, it will slide back down. To avoid straining your neck and your upper limbs, the arm pad should touch your forearms when your shoulders and elbows are relaxed at each side. The arm pads can also be rotated inwards if you need them closer to you, or positioned out of the way if your workstation is restrictive. To do this, reach underneath the arm pads and pull the control, as they're automatically locked in the forward position. So there's no need to alter the recline resistance on Eva. The chair cleverly matches the resistance to you, without any need for adjustment, regardless of size or stature, making there one less thing to adjust. If you have the optional travel limiter, you'll find this on the left-hand side of your chair. When the control is fully upright, the backrest is locked in the upright position. Rotating the control backwards limits the chair's recline movement to one of 3 positions, so you can set it up to your own personal preference. Try to keep your chair unlocked most of the time, as this will allow you to make full use of your chair's movement, keeping you active and improving your blood circulation. Now, whilst the standard chair offers supportive lumbar via the clever mesh, which is perfectly suitable for most users, there is the option of the adjustable lumbar support, which allows you to fine-tune the lumbar region. Reach around the back of the chair and slide the lumbar strap up or down to adjust the height. Rotate the central dial to fine-tune the depth. To help maintain the natural S-shape of the spine, the lumbar pad should support the small of your back. So that's it from me. Thanks for watching, and now you can start enjoying your Eva chair.